If you use Google Chrome every day for work, school, or content creation, you're going to love what's new in Chrome 2025. This year's update focuses on speed, security, and smarter everyday tools that make browsing smoother and more personalized. So let's break down the best features you should know about, without getting too technical. First, Chrome 2025 introduces AI-assisted browsing. This includes automatic tab summaries, so even if you open 20 tabs at once, Chrome can give you quick overviews of each page. It also offers smarter suggestions when you're researching, comparing products, or reading long articles. It's like having a digital assistant inside your browser that organizes information for you. Another big improvement is Performance Boost mode. Chrome is known for being fast, but this update focuses on reducing memory usage, especially for older laptops. Tabs you haven't touched in hours now automatically go into lighter sleep mode, helping speed up your device and improve battery life. If you multitask a lot, this feature is a huge help. Chrome 2025 also brings upgraded privacy controls. Instead of digging through long menus, you now get a simplified dashboard that shows which sites are tracking you and what permissions they're using. With one click, you can turn off tracking, block cookies, or remove access to your camera, mic, and location. It's clearer, cleaner, and perfect for users who want more control over their data. Another highlight is the enhanced Chrome profiles. Switching from work mode to personal mode is now faster with preset layouts, extensions, and themes that automatically adjust. If you're a freelancer or a student balancing multiple tasks, you'll appreciate how organized this feels. And finally, the new Smart Download Manager helps you find your files faster. It auto-sorts downloads by file type and lets you preview PDFs, images, and videos without fully opening them. Chrome 2025 isn't just an update, it's a smoother, smarter, and more powerful experience. If you want more simple tech tips like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.